Hi friends, welcome to RMTV channel. Today we are going to see about circular number 160/16/2021 GST regarding clarification of time limit of taking ITC under section 16(4). Before getting into the subject, let's check about what debit note is. We know that it is mandatory for a supplier of goods or services to issue a tax invoice. However, there may be changes after issuing the tax invoice. We can handle those changes by issuing a credit or debit note. Let's see the situations where we can issue debit notes. First situation is if we have issued an invoice by mistake with lesser value than the actual value. Second is if we have issued an invoice with lower tax rate. And third situation is the quantity received by the recipient is more than what has been declared in the tax invoice. In order to regularize these kinds of situations, the supplier is allowed to issue a debit note to the recipient. Please note that the debit note also includes supplementary invoice. Now let's discuss about section 16(4). This section talks about time limit of taking input tax credit. A registered person shall not avail input tax credit in respect of any invoice or invoice relating to the debit note for supply of goods or services after the due date of furnishing the return under section 39. The due date is September month following the end of financial year or furnishing of the relevant annual return, whichever is earlier. This section was amended with effect from January 2021, provides that a registered person shall not take input tax credit in respect of any invoice or debit note for the supply of goods or services after the due date of furnishing the return under section 39. The due date is September month following the end of financial year or furnishing of the relevant annual return, whichever is earlier. Let us clarify the amendment. Earlier it was invoice or invoice related to such debit note, and from January 21 it was amended as invoice or debit note. We may have doubts to determine the financial year for the purpose of section 16(4), like date of issuance of debit note or date of issuance of underlying invoice. Let's clarify it here with an example. With effect from 1st January 2021, in case of debit notes, the date will be determined by the debit note date and not the date relating the invoice. Let's imagine a debit note issued on July 21 in related to the original invoice dated March 21. As the invoice pertains to financial year 2021, the relevant financial year for availing ITC shall be 2021. But as the debit note has been issued in financial year 21-22, the relevant financial year for availing ITC shall be 21-22 in terms of amended provision of section 16(4) of the CGST Act. So far we have clarified about the ITC to be availed for a debit note dated after January 2021. Now we may have another doubt regarding debit notes issued before January 2021. Let us clarify it with an example. Imagine a debit note issued on November 2020 in related to original invoice dated July 2019. As per the amended provision of section 16(4), the relevant financial year for availing input tax credit of the debit note will be financial year 2021. And accordingly, a registered person can avail input tax credit on the same till due date of furnishing of form GSTR 3B for the month of September 2021 or furnishing the annual return for financial year 2021, whichever is earlier. So we may conclude with the clarification given by CBIC that the financial year for the availment of input tax credit of the debit note will be determined by the debit note date and it is not related to the relevant invoice date. So any ITC availed prior to January 2021 in respect of debit note shall be governed under the section 16(4) as it existed before the said amendment on 1st January 2021. Hope you have understood the clarification given in the circular. For more details, refer the circular link given in the description box. Okay friends, meet you in another video. Thank you. Bye bye. Take care.